What's up, guys? Welcome back to So Many Parks So Little Time, or as I like to call it, Stamp Sleet. So today we are at Beech Bend in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I have to do this fast because we are racing against the clock. There are supposed to be thunderstorms coming in, and we have got to ride, what's it called? Kentucky Rumbler. Once again, Austin is with us, Steel & Wood Riders. So yeah, this is his second time at the park, my first, and so yeah, I'm excited to try a new GCI. I actually don't know much about this coaster, so yeah, let's go in and see if we can score a new wood coaster credit. Goodness, Kentucky Rumbler is so much fun. Now this is one of GCI's smaller roller coasters, but it rips through the course, and this thing goes heavy on the airtime. There are so many airtime moments on this ride. Now it is sort of floater airtime, but some of it borders on ejector, which is intense for a GCI coaster. This coaster is really what makes this park stand out. Otherwise, as other people have noted, this park sort of feels like just a permanent fairground. But yeah, Kentucky Rumbler alone brings this park to a whole new level. CONDIMENTS! So walking around the Midway, it's a lot of fun. Yeah, they're sort of carnival rides, but every now and then you come across a roller coaster and...
Vince, you okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm okay. It's just, I think I saw...
Vince, you okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm coming. Do you know where the condiments are?
Condiments.
Condiments? Condiments! I'll take a slice of cheese pizza, and for a side, I think I'll take some aspirin. So, that was Beech Bend Park in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and you remember those thunderstorms I said at the beginning of the video? Yeah, they never came. Today was absolutely fantastic. There were no lines for anything. We got to ride Rumbler many times. We got to do the water park. We got to do everything that we wanted in such a fun, relaxed environment. Once again, friendly employees, and yeah, it's just lots of fun all around. So yeah, if you're ever in Bowling Green, Kentucky, or I don't know, just somehow find yourself in southern Kentucky, then absolutely make a stop at Beech Bend Park. 95% of the park, yeah, it does kind of feel like a permanent carnival, but Kentucky Rumbler makes up for all of it. So anyway, that'll do it for this video. This is the last video that I'm doing with Austin of Steel and Wood Riders, at least for a while. So yeah, go check them out for some really cool Kings Island stuff, as well as some other cool parks in the area. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Take care.